Welcome to Brainy Kids. Get ready to test your knowledge with fun and tricky questions. Let's get started with 3 simple rules. Mars, the 4th planet from the Sun, is known as the red planet due to its rusty, iron-rich surface. With a diameter of 6,779 kilometers, it's about half the size of Earth. Mars orbits the Sun at an average distance of 228 million kilometers, completing a year in 687 Earth days. A day on Mars, called a sol, lasts 24.6 hours. The planet has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, and features Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, and Valles Marineris, a massive canyon. Mars' extreme temperatures range from -125 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, and its past presence of water makes it a key target for exploration and the search for life. True or false? Mars has 2 moons. True. What gives Mars its red color? Iron oxide or rust. Fill in the blank. Mars is the blank planet from the Sun. Fourth. Fill in the blank. The surface of Mars is covered in a fine layer of blank, which gives it a red appearance. Dust. Which planet is closest to Mars in the solar system? Earth. Fill in the blank. The 2 moons of Mars are named blank and blank. Phobos and Deimos. True or false? Mars is known as the blue planet. False. Mars is known as the red planet. Fill in the blank. A year on Mars is about blank Earth days. (687 Earth days). What is the name of the tallest volcano on Mars? Olympus Mons. Fill in the blank. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, called blank. Olympus Mons. True or false? A day on Mars is shorter than a day on Earth. False. A day on Mars is slightly longer than a day on Earth. Fill in the blank. Mars has a thin atmosphere, mostly made of blank. Carbon dioxide. How long does it take Mars to complete one orbit around the Sun? "687 days." Fill in the blank. The average surface temperature on Mars is around blank degrees Celsius. Minus 60 degrees Celsius. Fill in the blank. The distance from Mars to the Sun is approximately blank million kilometers. "228 million kilometers." Why is Mars an important planet for scientists to study? Mars is important for scientists to study because it may have had water in the past, which could mean it once had conditions for life. Studying Mars helps us understand more about the potential for life on other planets and our solar system's history. True or false? Mars experiences extreme temperature changes between day and night. True. Which rover is currently exploring Mars? Curiosity. Fill in the blank. The thin atmosphere on Mars means that it has very little blank to keep the surface warm. Insolation. If a signal travels from Earth to Mars at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second, and the distance between Earth and Mars is 78 million kilometers, how many seconds does it take for the signal to reach Mars? To find the time it takes for a signal to reach Mars, we use the formula: time equals distance divided by speed. The distance from Earth to Mars is 78 million kilometers, and the speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. Dividing 78 million by 300,000 gives us 260 seconds. So it takes 260 seconds for the signal to reach Mars. What is the average distance from Mars to Earth? "78 million kilometers." If a Mars rover travels at a speed of 0.05 kilometers per hour and it travels for 24 hours, how far does it go? To find the distance the rover travels, we use the formula: distance equals speed multiplied by time. Here, the rover's speed is 0.05 kilometers per hour, and it travels for 24 hours. So 0.05 multiplied by 24 gives us 1.2 kilometers. Therefore, the rover travels 1.2 kilometers in 24 hours. True or false? Mars has liquid water on its surface today. False. Mars only has frozen water and water vapor. No liquid water has been found on its surface today. Fill in the blank. Mars has polar ice caps made mostly of frozen blank. Carbon dioxide. Mars has seasons because of its axial tilt. Fill in the blank. The length of a day on Mars, called a sol, is approximately blank hours and 39 minutes. "24. True or false? Mars is about half the size of Earth. True. Fill in the blank. The largest canyon on Mars is called blank Marineris. Veils. What is the main component of Mars' thin atmosphere? Carbon dioxide. If a Martian dust storm moves 600 kilometers in 12 hours, what is its average speed? To find the speed, we use the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. The dust storm travels 600 kilometers in 12 hours, so we divide 600 by 12, which gives us 50 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the dust storm's average speed is 50 kilometers per hour. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching Brainy Kids. We hope you had fun learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you next time, Brainy Friends.